Hi guys, my name is Amrata. I am saying about the experiment number 8 simulation of a DFA aim to simulate the concept of deterministic finite automation and description. The theory of computation, a branch of theoretical computer science, a deterministic finite automatic, also known as deterministic finite state machine, is a finite state machine that accepts the rejects finite state string of symbols and only produces a unique computation or a run of the automation for each input string algorithm. An input string is terminated by an EOF character, a DF, a D start state SO and set of accepting states F output the answer as if DFA accepts the string, no otherwise method. So as non-question, write a program to simulate deterministic finite automation and check whether the given input string is accepted by the given DFA. And let's see the program. X is equals to int input, enter the number of states. S is equals to int, enter the number of states. Enter the states for I in range 0, x, y is equal to int input, enter the number of keys, t input, enter the keys. For j in range 0, y, last input, final state, k is equal to 0 for I in range, len s, for I in range, len s, k is equal to 0 for j in range, len t, for j in range, len t, k I j is equal to input for from s I plus if ti is plus go def convert p comma q li append k s dot independent p t dot independent q return k s dot index p t dot index q while true li state start is equals to s0 q input, enter the string to check for I in q start is equals to convert start I for li minus 1 is equals to last print accepted else print denied. And let's run the program and enter the number of states 4 and enter the state A, B, C, D and enter the keys 2, 0, 1 and final state D, and it's for A if 0 go B, for A if 1 A, and from B if 0 go A, from B if 1 go C, from C if 0 go D, from C if 1 go D, from C if D go, from D if 0 go D, from D if 1 go D, and enter the string 0011 and it's accepted. Thank you guys by watching my video.